Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to load dataset in Google Colab. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up your Google Colab. Go with googlecolab.com, and once you are here, just simply go with the left, and here you will have a little folder shaped icon. Click on the folder. Once you are here, click on that files or folder options. Now you will get an option to upload. So you just need simply click on the upload session storage, and then you just need to simply choose the data set that you would like to load. You can simply choose any option, choose a data set, click on this open button and go with OK, and here you will have your data set. So what you need to do is simply go with the three dots which you have right here, and then you can copy the path or copy the file, or you can also use your keyboard by pressing Ctrl C, copying, and then you can go with the right side and you can go with your session, and you can simply press Ctrl V and it will be pasted here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to load dataset in Google Colab. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.